Hello everyone, I'm Yossi, Head of Product Communications at Odoo, and welcome back to another episode of Odoo's Tips and Tricks. We have been talking recently about ways in which to improve your search engine results for your website by using the SEO feature and also by creating blogs. If you have not seen that video, please click on the link in the description below. Now that you have more traffic to your site, how are you going to capture the leads that visit? Today, we are going to take a closer look at having an embedded contact form or landing page just to increase engagement and turn your visitors into leads. This level of integration from the front end to the back allows for greater visibility and complete traceability. Having an embedded contact form is an excellent way not only to increase engagement with your visitors, but also to provide a direct link between potential customers and your company. Odoo makes it easy to have standard contact forms right out of the box, as well as offering a more customizable solution with what features you would like on the form. For today's example, we're going with the out-of-the-box solution to highlight the ease in which new leads are created from a simple embedded form on your website. Here we are on the website, and this time I'm going to play the role of an interested customer. I have looked at the various products on the e-commerce site, and I am interested in buying a few desks for my new office. But instead of buying 10 desks online, I want to know if there are any discounts for buying in bulk. I go ahead and add my information as well as my question right here on the form. Once I've filled in all of the fields, I send off the form and get a notification immediately informing me that it has been successfully sent. Next, we are going to the back end and see my CRM where this lead has landed. And here on my CRM, I see my sales pipeline. When I filter for all the opportunities, I see that a new opportunity has been created with the new question that was asked by the potential customer. When we look closer at this new opportunity, we see that there are several fields already filled in. We can also enrich this lead according to the information and data provided, and we can also give it a priority. However, one of the most exciting features here is the page views history, where we can see how many times this person has visited our website, as well as how long he has stayed on certain pages. This is truly valuable information, as it will help gauge how much interest there is with this particular visitor. Once I see his query, I can assign the customer to a teammate, deal with the query myself, or include others on my team to help with this new lead. We can now move our new lead across our sales pipeline and follow up as needed. Having an embedded form is an efficient way to capture and funnel new leads to your CRM. These automated workflows add a layer of visibility and integration between the front end of our website and the back end of our CRM. As you saw, I never once left my Odoo database, and everything stayed right there. If you would like to learn more about easy ways Odoo website and CRM work tandem to help grow your business, please contact us directly or one of our business analysts who will be more than happy to review your needs. As always, thank you all for tuning in today, and remember to like and follow us to get the latest videos and content on all things Odoo. Stay healthy out there and Odoo it all!